So before you begin, let's make sure that you've downloaded the exercise files because it's these files that we're going to refer to throughout these tutorials. So in this case, I'm going to ask you to click on Mr. Hagues class, and then you'll see the exercise files right there. And this is only a portion of the folders that you might have downloaded. I only wanted to show you this even though we're at the early stages of developing these exercise files. The most important folder regarding for this tutorial is the Ep24. So go ahead and click on that and you'll notice that it has these files here, these image files rather. So click on one by one and you'll see classroom, and there's a dinner table there, and then there's the external hard drive, there we go, an SD card, and we have a softball player, and then finally the Utah drive, which is absolutely beautiful if you ever had a chance to drive up to Utah. Okay, so these are the files that you need, so please make sure you download them, and let's proceed to the next lesson.